Adil, yeah, what can I say about Adil? Oh, the first time we spoke was on Instagram, and he mentioned how much he loves Muslim bikers, he loves the Brotherhood, and he wanted to meet us. I remember this guy had never met us, but had such passion, such love for the Muslim bikers.
Well, now the proper journey starts. We did safari, finished that, and now we're going to do our big ride that we've been talking about for some time. I'm quite proud of this moment. All the rocks and stones. The rim has bent, and I've got a puncture.
And I remember telling the other team members that we have to bring Adil in. He has to be part of the team. And slowly but surely, he became the heart and soul of Muslim bikers. He became my brother, and he's going to be in my life for the rest of his life. I'm so proud of what you have achieved, especially on this deployment in Kenya. I know you've gone through hardships. I know you've gone through struggles. Carry on doing what you're doing and continue making us proud.
This is donated from the Muslim biker community. From the donations that we've gathered for Muslim bikers, this is a whole package, and this is going to be a source of income for the masjid, and we will bring in a family out of poverty, inshallah.